Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. I first and foremost want to thank all of my amazing clients. I'm so sorry that we cannot be together at this time. The virus is what has caused us to be apart. So that's why I'm going to be demonstrating for you the Goldwell soft color. Many of you are wondering, what is this Goldwell soft color that Megan keeps talking about? And I've directed you to my website, salonzena.com, and asked you to take a look at my product page. And on my product page is where you're able to find the Goldwell soft color. So the Goldwell soft color is a semi-permanent color mousse. It's very conditioning to the hair and is going to help us throughout this time. So when you get your Goldwell soft color, you first want to take a look at the can and do the preliminary test that they recommend. And once you've done that and everything's good, we can start. So you want to start off with a few tools: your Goldwell soft color, a pair of gloves, and a comb. So once you have your tools, you want to shampoo and towel dry your hair. It's very important that your hair is, as you can see, my hair is not soaking wet and it's not bone dry, it's towel dry. That will just make your hair easier to work with and make your life easier through this process. So once you do that, you want to make sure you've combed through your hair. Everybody knows I have curly hair, so sometimes it's not always easy to work through it, so you want to make sure you work through it well on your towel dried hair, not your soaking wet hair or your bone dry hair. So once that's done, let's begin. We can put on our gloves. Start by putting these gloves on and grab your Goldwell soft color and shake, 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 shake. And you want to begin by using, I'm recommending golf ball size. It's the best way to describe it. It's easy to work with, and not that this color is so messy or anything, it's just, we're just beginning. So you just want to start applying. And then you want to make sure you get the back, so you want to flip over and get your back. Some people, it might take 3 or 4, maybe 5 golf ball sizes to get through your hair. But just work through it. Work, 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 work. Zhuzh, zhuzh, zhuzh. And once you zhuzh it all, don't be afraid to use a little bit more. This is very conditioning for the hair. It's kind of a win-win situation. And then once you work it through, you want to once again comb through your hair, because you were so good and you combed through it so nicely before we started. It just makes your life so much easier. Comb, 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 la la la. And don't be afraid if your ends get a little bit dry, that's all right. Just work a little bit of color through to them. And then some of us have some of those annoying little stubborn ones around our hairline. So you can take some of your Goldwell soft color, put a little in a bowl. Everybody has a bowl, everybody has a little brush of some sort. Just take a little brush, get it on those annoying little stubborn ones. Zhuzh it in. Work it in, work it in, work it in. And if you wear your hair to a part, you might want to add a little bit more. Either way, you can process up to 15 minutes. You could do 5 minutes and you'll get good shine and good condition. I'm recommending up to the 15 minutes because at this point most of us are dealing with color that's growing out and we all need to be revived, and this will help with that. And a very important thing to remember is, process the 15 minutes, then rinse and style as usual. Voila. And an important thing to remember is not to forget to purchase your soft color from a Goldwell salon, a professional salon like mine, so you can get the right color. It's very important to me that you get the right color. And once you've done that, you can also try the Color Revive Root Retouch Powder, which I've also been recommending along with the soft color. Everybody knows about it, and if you don't, stay tuned. That will be my next video on how we can do that, some more little tricks of the trade with that. I hope everybody continues to stay healthy, and I look forward to seeing you just as soon as I can. Take care. Thank you.